Hey guys, Ink here with a tutorial for my Lego butterfly knife. You don't need them in all white pieces. I just used white because it was a color that was available for all of the pieces. And these are all the pieces you will need. And I know I made the same tutorial for this butterfly knife a while back, but I did it using like pictures and stuff that I edited together and all that, but this is going to be a little bit better because it's going to be an actual instruction thing rather than that one, whatever it was called that I made a while back, the GIF that I turned into a video or whatever. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Um, Around this part, you obviously won't be able to actually build it with these pieces connected. So what you're going to want to do instead, is you're going to just take out the half beam and then pull it through and then build the blade, and then you'll build the wings and then you'll reattach it. Okay, so a fairly short thing, but there it is, it's built. And make sure you don't substitute pieces out like these two, what are these called? The 2x4s. Don't put a 4x4 or something like that, because it will make it where the handles won't be able to move. If you don't have four 2x12s, you could like use a 2x10 or something like right there, and then put like a 2x2 right there as an example. Like on mine, I have 3 of them, so not all 4. So on my bite handle, I have it right where I have it built there, but I have a 2x10 plate and a 2x2 flat tile. So this way, without even looking at the thing, I could feel where the bite handle is at all times. And I would also recommend putting some tape around the blade after you built it, so this way you leave the holes open. Just put like one little layer going from about right there and there all the way around. So yeah, anyway, thank y'all guys for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.